So in our research group about high performance teams, we were actually particularly interested in the question of what makes teams perform and what makes teams resilient in tough times. And we have come up with the St.Gallen Top Team Model that helps you to understand and even measure these 6 dimensions in a simple way. So let me quickly mention these dimensions that help you make your team more resilient. The first is, do you have a purpose, a vision? Do you know and agree where we go to? The second is, do you have the resources that it takes to get there and to withstand crisis times? The third is the context in which you're operating as a team, especially in a crisis situation. Do we ensure fit in our team with these rough external conditions? So these are the first 3 dimensions: the purpose, vision and objectives, the resources to get there, and do we ensure fit to this actual current situation? Now, the second 3 dimensions are, what is our potential, our team composition? Do we use our full team potential? The second is, what are our team processes in place in terms of communication, coordination, conflict handling styles? So basically the questions, do we collaborate effectively together? And the second part of the team processes is something everybody knows about, but it's more intangible. It's the question of, do we think and feel as one team? This is the greater alliance. You can think of it as team spirit. We in our St.Gallen Top Team Model call this the we consciousness. Cognitive, motivational and effective alliance of team members that boost the performance and resilience. And of course, the third question is, do we need what it takes to achieve our objectives? Do we have clear objectives and are we able to achieve them? Because success will refuel the team again.